everyone and welcome to our channel. Today we are going to visit Moghaddam Museum. We showed you the Moghaddam house in our previous vlog, so if you didn't see this vlog, please watch our previous video. So if you're interested in seeing museum and such things like that, walk with us today and let's see what's waiting for us in there. As I told you, they were very rich because back then in Persian history, every family which has a pool in their houses were really rich and wealthy, so they can afford the costs of having this beautiful house. I already told you some information about Moghaddam Museum and Moghaddam House in our previous vlog, but there is something I have missed to tell you, and that is this house was first built during Qajar era, and it was belonged to one of the important men who were in Qajar dynasty, and I don't remember the name, but after that and after passing the time, this house belonged to Hassan Moghaddam, who were really rich, and he renewed this house and built a beautiful garden and museum inside the house, and this shows the interest and passion of him about creating a sweet home and something like that. And about visiting the museum, I will tell you detailed stuff about the things they are in museum, but they were really interesting stuff inside the museum, and it worth visiting. So if you have the chance to visit Tehran, don't miss the opportunity to see the Moghaddam house. Moghaddam Museum, located in the heart of Tehran, is a historic house and museum that showcases the life and legacy of Mohsen Moghaddam, a prominent Iranian archaeologist and art collector. The museum features a stunning collection of historical artifacts, including pottery, a diverse range of ceramic pieces from different historical periods, showcasing various styles and techniques. Paintings, an extensive collection of traditional Persian paintings depicting scenes from Iranian history, literature, and mythology. Carved stone pieces, intricate carving and sculptures made from stone reflecting the artistic powers of ancient Iranian artisans. Historical artifacts, a variety of items that reflect the rich cultural heritage of Iran, including textiles, manuscripts, and metalwork. Actually, I don't feel good about this place. I think most of it because of this painting. It's really creepy, isn't it?
I don't know. I find it eccentric. I feel like the combination of holy people for Muslim and the devil here can be so eccentric.
There is something interesting about this museum, and that is Mr. Moghaddam and Mrs. Moghaddam were two persons who were really interested in Persian culture and Iran. Mr. Moghaddam was a Persian guy, but Mrs. Moghaddam was a French girl who were so interested in knowing Iranian culture and architecture and some other stuff. And it might be interesting for you to know that these two persons were very rich and they traveled a lot, and they took any souvenirs from every country they visited back then to this museum and built the museum inside their house to make the opportunity for other Persian people to visit this museum and learn new things from foreign cultures. And it's really interesting for me because Mrs. Moghaddam were not Persian. She was a French girl, and she was so in love with Iran that they have opportunity to live abroad in any country because they were really rich, but they chose to build a really beautiful house inside the Tehran and select this place to live in. And it's really valuable. These are really beautiful, I think, and they are painted on stone. And here you can see Galion. I don't know what you call it in English. What? Hubble bubble. Oh, you call it hubble bubble, and you can see the historical hubble bubble here. Every piece of this house is like a masterpiece, even the stairs. Just look at how beautiful they are. In this part of the video, I want you to like, subscribe, and share our videos. And if you can, watch the video till the end, because it sent to YouTube this alarm that this video is valuable, and because of that YouTube suggests this video to other persons and it helps me grow my channel. So if you're interested in watching this type of contents, please watch the video till the end and share this video with your friends and family. And thanks for walking with me every day. And I want to ask you another thing too. If you are interested in seeing a special place in Tehran or generally in Iran, please write the name in the comments so I can take some vlogs for you, and it might help you know Iran and Tehran better. And it's really an honor for me to make some content like that. The Moghaddam Museum houses many special objects and features that make it a unique and valuable destination. Some of these special objects include golden tiles, exclusive and valuable golden tiles installed in the walls for preservation. These tiles are considered absolutely unique in the world. A small room with gems and corals. A small room near the entrance decorated with valuable gems and beautiful corals. Qajar era architecture. The museum is a historic site from the Qajar era featuring exclusive architecture that reflects Iranian culture. Collection of priceless objects. The house is a collection of priceless objects, including artworks and cultural and historical artifacts, which have been preserved and curated by Tehran University. Renovated and opened to the public. In 2009, the house was restored and opened to the public as a museum, offering visitors a glimpse into Iran's rich cultural heritage. If you are seeing this part of the video, it means you watched our whole video, and it really means a lot to me because it helps me to create more and high quality videos, because YouTube recommend this video to other persons. And thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe and share our videos, and see you in our next vlog.